Hello guys and welcome. It's Engineering Rebel, and in this video I'm going to keep it simple and restore this DC motor for a potential future project. So let's begin. First I'm going to brush off the dust using this brush and then use the spray degreaser to get off the main dirt. Well, it definitely does look very good. At least it's clean now, so I can actually work with it. So I'll probably use this electric motor, probably in a go-kart or a vehicle of some sort, but I'm still unsure whether I'm going to use this or my gas motor. But at least it cleaned up and it's looking good. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.